I am always moving from one place to another. I don't want it to get broken. I don't want to mourn over my foundation. So I just keep it in the middle. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Orezi Egurefa, and if this is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. And if you are a returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. God bless you. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to properly arrange your makeup box so you can look organized and appear professional. You see all this? I'm going to show you how to put them properly into your box. If you have been having issues with, oh, today I keep my product here, or I keep this particular powder here and I can't find it, this video is for you. Definitely keep on watching. Okay, so without further ado, let us get right. So most times makeup artists will have a lot of products and we are usually faced with, oh, is this, is that, where to keep them so that you don't forget in a client's house or anywhere. You know, me, I have an issue with disorganization. I always like to arrange my stuff in order because I don't want to be in a situation where I would start looking for something. So I would prefer that you have these pouches. They are really affordable, to be easy for you to arrange and keep your products in order before transferring them into your makeup box. So I just finished a client's makeup. These are where I keep my powder. I have a pouch dedicated to my powders, setting powders, everything. And I do this. I just put my powders in place. And the way I arrange my powders, right? I put like my MAC powders in one place. I put my Fenty in one place. I put all my setting powders in one place. I put all my Zam powders in one place. So if so like this, I already know that I have like 5 MAC powders. I have 4 Zam powders. I have four setting powders. If, for example, I'm in a hurry and I get the next client's house, it will be easier for me. I don't even need to get the next client's house to realize that I've forgotten something. Just because this is how it is, this is how I've organized it. When I'm trying to pack, if I find out that, so I would definitely know. For example, let me take out 2 of this. There's already a space. So I can easily know that, oh, something is missing. Then I'll be able to trace them, look for it, and complete it back. I don't know if you get what I mean. So I put all my powders in one place. I zip, I set aside. Then maybe due to the cost of rushing, my eyelashes is everywhere, my beauty blender is in my foundation bag. I just remove it and keep it properly. Then see, I keep all my Huda Beauties in one corner. I put all my Super Stay in one corner. I put my L'Oreal foundations in the other corner. So I know how many L'Oreal foundations are here, how many, no, pardon me, how many Huda Beauty foundations are here, how many Super Stay foundations are here. So when anyone is missing, it's easy to identify. I don't know if you understand what I mean now. So all my foundations in place, I zip and I put away in another pouch. Then the next thing is my eyeshadow. I put all my eyelashes into this bag. So I just arrange them. I have like a variety of lashes. I have the small one, the fuller ones, the longer ones. So I just put everything together. You should know your product anyways. You should know what you have in your kit. So this is how I organize all my stuff. So I put the long ones, the smaller ones in front, then the bigger ones at the back. So this is the eyeshadow I used, and I'm putting it back. I put my lashes in a ziploc so I appear clean and arranged and organized. I don't want to leave it scattered everywhere. And again, I don't want it to get missing. So it's easy for me that when I'm done, I just locate it and I put it back into the pouch. Okay. Then I arrange properly in the eyeshadow bag. My eyeshadow is complete. Everything is complete. I zip and I set aside. This is where I keep all my skin prep. So I have these little containers where I put my beauty blender. It's better to safely keep your beauty blender back, because when you keep leaving them like this, if I just drop it like this, it will get so dry, and every time you try to revive it by making it damp, you are spoiling it. Maybe the beauty blender is meant to last for 2 weeks, you will kill it in 3 days. Okay, so even if you don't have like little containers like this, because this was when I got this pack when I got the beauty blender. So if you cannot have this, cannot access this, then get the smaller size of the ziploc, put your beauty blender into it and cover it, whether it's dirty, whether it's clean. Or you can get one for the dirty beauty blenders, one for the clean beauty blender. So these are the primers I used. So I'm just putting them back in place. For my prep bag, I usually carry um a little detergent so I can wash my beauty blender wherever I go. I'm always ready. So I think you should do that. It's a good investment. Just get something and put all your items. So this is the one for my skin prep. All my skin prep are in this bag. Anything skin prep, I come straight to this bag. Then my cotton pad, I put everything here. I zip, then I set aside. Now for the brushes, all my dirty brushes that I use, they are here. So I would clean them properly and put here. I go in with my methylated spirit. Oh, I put it inside a spray bottle, then added a bit of perfume to it to reduce the harshness of the methylated spirit. You can do that as well. It makes your brush smell really nice, and clients always compliment me for that. So this is what I do. Then with the spray bottle, whatever bottle you have, pour your methylated spirit inside, and I just spray and I clean. I spray like 2 or 3 times to make sure that there's no color left. It is properly disinfected, as you can see. Then I keep. So this is where I have like my clean, organized brush. These are the dirty ones I just finished using. I go like that, on and on, like that till I'm done. Then lipsticks and what I use for the eyes. So all my lipstick are in one pouch. I put both of them in this pouch because I feel like they're essential. So I put them in a bigger pouch, just both of them, so that if not, they have their own single little pouch. So this one is for lipstick alone. All my lip stains are here. I just finished this one, so I'm putting it in place and I arrange them properly. I arrange them to the order in which I use them. So I use more of the nudish shades, so that's why you can see most of them here. I use this once in a while, so I like to keep my red lipstick close by so that I don't start suffering and stressing to look for it. The same thing, my brown lipstick here for lining, and also I just keep it at the top of it. Then I put it in this bigger bag because I want it to be together in the same place with this, or to make my intention is to make it like, you see how my eyeshadow is here, this one is here. I don't want it to be separate, so I just put it in a bigger pouch so that it can look more organized and clean and easy for me to access. Okay, then this is my pin holder. I just keep it here as well. The next one is where I keep all my eye stuff, my eyeliner, my eye pencils, my scissors, my razor blade I used to carve the brows, then this little puff that I use under the eyes or to protect my hand from touching the client's face. I put them all here. I put my pencils, I cover my pencils. You can see all my pencils are covered properly. So there's no case of, oh, it is staining something. I treasure the cover than the pencil itself, because I don't like that stain anywhere. And this is where I'm keeping all my eye stuff. I don't want to put my hand and then make a mistake. You understand? So my razor blade is here. My mascara is here as well. Everything, my brow gel, everything, they are all here. So here, eyeshadow, powders, foundation, skin prep, and my essentials, lipstick and eyeliner. So I'm just going to putting them inside the box. So keep on watching. Over to how to keep the product inside my box. So first thing, I have like this net compartment of my box. I put my extra tissue paper here. Then I put little products that I know that when they get finished here, I can easily locate them. So when I get a new product like my pencils or eyeliner, sometimes foundation, I just keep here. And this place where I keep my extra blade, I just throw it into my box. Then for this corner, I have this glitter bag. This is where I have two bags actually. I have this bigger one for the other glitters, and the ones I use very well I just reduce them and put here. So when a client asks me for a very particular look that I know that it's not here, I go to the main bag where there's more glitters to search for them. So I just keep them on the side of my box. Then the ones I use very well, I keep them here to the side of my box. Then I have a powder palette. I just arrange here first. Then the first thing I put in my box is my eyeshadow. So I just lay it here. This depends on the box you have, basically. So if your box is bigger, fine. This is just how I do mine. So I put this here. The next thing I do is I put my brush. I like to keep my brush, because if I don't keep it properly, if I should put these pouches on top of the brush, it will deform the brush. I've had to discard some of my brushes because of that mistake. So I like to keep my brush properly first secured before I move to the next thing. So the next thing I do is next thing I keep is my foundation. I like to keep it in the middle, because I am always moving from one place to another. I don't want it to get broken. I don't want to mourn over my foundation. So I just keep it in the middle, so it is safe. It is guarded by the eyeshadow and the powder, because the powder pouch, this is what I keep by this side next, so it is guiding the foundations. So the next thing, I keep my extra brush container inside. I keep my methylated spirit for cleaning the brushes inside as well. The next thing I'm going in to keep is my skin prep. So if you have dirty beauty blenders, you wash them, then you put them back here and keep. Then my wipes, I just put by the side. Then last but not the least, I put my lipstick and everything. You guys know I already showed you. So I put them here as well. Then I go around with a towel. So this is it, a clean towel, clean white towel. I spread it before setting up, so I look organized and professional, like I always say. So that is that for this box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know if you let me know how you arrange your box. Do you do it differently, or this is how, or you have never arranged your box before and this is how you want to start arranging your box? Let me know in the comment section. And don't leave, I have amazing tutorials for you. I do amazing makeup with my clients, and I explain the looks I created, I explain why I did those looks. So it's a tutorial you don't want to miss. So I will see you in the next video.